Today we've got something a little bit special. It's an original iPhone from 2007 in its box. The box looks a little bit battered, but the phone is in pretty good shape. We're going to be unboxing the device and taking a look at it. It's part of a larger Apple collection I've got of vintage devices, including a few old iPhones, a few old Macs. You might have spotted the old Macintosh Classic that sits behind me in a lot of videos. If this is something you want to see more of, then please drop a like on this video, let me know down in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more. Compared to the iPhone boxes we get today, this one's definitely a lot thicker, although it's a lot shorter because the device is nowhere near as tall as the current iPhones. Taking the lid off of it, there's a nice bit of thick plastic that holds the phone in place. You're certainly not going to see that anymore because of environmental carbon reasons, saving the planet, etc, etc. Taking the iPhone out, you can see the old classic design. It's a little bit dated, but there's something very charming about how this looks, as much as I love the current iPhone design. Okay, and so here we have it. It's switched on, charged up, and ready to go. It's telling me that there's no SIM card installed at the moment, but that's not a problem. We're just gonna swipe it open, and at the minute all it's going to let me do is make an emergency call, and that's because I haven't got a SIM in there. Looking around the sides of the device, you can see it's not in perfect condition, but still pretty decent. It's got more tactile buttons on the sides and on the top, and the first version of the ringer switch, which I do honestly miss from the current iPhones. The polished little bit of metal around the edge is really nice to look at, although it does seem to attract a few scratches. I like the dual two-tone finish on the back. It's really stylish, as well as the shiny Apple logo. Just look how small that camera is compared to the current cameras on the iPhone. It's pretty incredible. This generation only came with 8GB of storage as standard, which is obscene considering I've got 256GB on my phone now, and it's almost completely full. Unfortunately, plugging the phone into a Mac won't actually let me activate it nor will putting in the SIM card because of how old the device is. I'm going to look into this a little bit more and see if we can try to get it working. So if you'd like to see a more detailed look at the original iPhone, including if we can try and use it for a day, just let me know down in the comments section below. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one.